Come on, a little bit of sauerkraut there and a little bit of that mustard. Are we ready? Of course we are. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today I've got some Nuremberg sausages. I've got some potatoes, which you can see they're slightly going off. I've got German mustard and I've got sauerkraut. We are going to make a Nuremberg sausage sauerkraut hash. Let's do it, come on. Right, there's a little bit of cooking to do. We're going to cook off the sausages and we're going to cook off the potatoes, or we're going to really boil them through actually. So we need to be peeling these potatoes and get rid of all these eyes off here. Okay, so it's a straightforward job. Come on, let's just whiz that round there. These are really old potatoes, to be honest. And someone's going to say, oh, you're peeling off too much skin. And other people are going to say, you can't eat potatoes with the eyes. Come on, peel your potatoes any which way you want. I want this old stuff off here. Not a problem. Okay, we want to be taking those potatoes and we want some cubes. Of course we do. Just like that. So cube up your potatoes and we want to be shoving it back in that pan of water because we are going to boil these. Soften them up, drain them, and then we're frying. Nice and straightforward. There you go, potatoes cubed in water, a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to chuck that on behind me to boil. Now we want to be boiling for about 8 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes once it starts to boil. Next job, nice and straightforward, we want to be cooking our sausages. So get your pan that you're going to use and we're going to do the old water oil job. So there's a little bit of water in there, look. And then we're going to put some oil in. We're going to turn on the flame and we're going to put our Nuremberg sausages in there. The water's going to help cook these sausages. They're going to plump up a little bit. Water's going to evaporate. Oil's going to take over. We're going to brown the sausages. What a little bit of cooking going on. Flame doesn't have to be too high. Just bring that up and boil off that water. Let's have those turned over. Let them get some cooking all the way around. Fantastic. So there you go, water start to boil off. We just need to put a little bit of colour on there now. Oil take over, we'll fry the sausages. Okay, when your potatoes add about 7 or 8 minutes, they should be slightly going soft, but they should still be firm. Drain them. So we need to drain those and we are going to stick them there to air dry whilst we finish these sausages. Nice and steady, isn't it? Oh, look at those. They look something special. Now obviously you could turn this in just into a straight sausage hash, not a problem. But we're doing it German, but you don't have to, just do it a straight sausage hash. So you can fry up any sausages basically. There you go, come on. Okay, they've got a nice little bit of colour on there for me. They're done. Now I could have done this in a big pan because I am going to use a big pan now. However, it was just easier to do these sausages in this pan. So we want those sausages in there. We are going to let these cool down, and we're going to just cube them up. I'm going to use that oil and juice actually. We want a good dobbing of butter in there. We're going to go that much. We're going to go a little bit more oil. We're going to whack on a flame, and then we're going to chuck the potatoes in and we're going to brown them. Our potatoes, nice little crusty browning on there in that butter. Come on. So it's a case of get them in, just let them stand, brown up a little bit, and then turn them over. A little bit of salt in there. I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper. That can go in there and bloom in there with those potatoes. So we are after browning a crust on the potatoes. Little turn over, come on. Okay, well that's going on in there, look. We can take our red hot sausages. Oof, they are a bit warm actually. So it's no more than that. Oh, these things are hot. And then that is going back in that bowl. Sausages coined up. Turn those potatoes. Oh, look at that. That's what we're after. That is fabulous. And you can see some of these are breaking up as well. That is absolutely superb. That's going to give us a fantastic crispy hash in there. All bonded together. Oh, it's going to be fantastic. Now I'm just going to add just a touch more oil in there. In there, our onions. Start to cook out the rawness of the onions in there. If you get some colour in there, so be it. Fabulous. Okay, then just bring it all back in. Stir it all through there. In there with your sausage. Oh, look at that. Fabulous. Oh, come on. In there. Ooh. We can get the lid off. Oh, smell that. A tablespoon of mustard. Dijon mustard, English mustard, but we are using a German mustard. Bavarian mustard, nice sweet mustard in there, delicious. Sauerkraut in there, straight out of the jar, not rinsed. You do not rinse it. In we go. We just want about a minute or 2 minutes tops, just to bring all those flavours together in there with that potato and sausage. So that is it. That's our Nuremberg sausage sauerkraut hash made. Let's serve it up. Grab yourself a ring, and in there with that Nuremberg sausage sauerkraut hash. Now, you don't have to squash it down. It's entirely up to you. Okay, all this is doing is actually just making a little guide in there. Hopefully it should all stay together and look spectacular. Come on, let's get that off there. Let's hope it holds together, eh? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is spectacular on there. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely amazing. Come on, a little bit of sauerkraut there and a little bit of that mustard. Are we ready? Of course we are. We are in. There is so much flavour here. It's off the charts. We've got our Nuremberg sausage, we've got our hash, all the sauerkraut, the onions. Oh, it's absolutely steaming, look. Have to be careful. Oh man, that is ridiculously good. Oh, this is a fantastic flavour combination. It's truly amazing. It's off the charts. That flavour of the onion, the sauerkraut, the mustard in there, and the Nuremberg herby sausages with that hash. Oh, it's incredible. It's absolutely superb. The flavour combination in there is off the charts. It's the best sausage hash I've had in a long time. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make Nuremberg sausage sauerkraut hash. If you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. Oh.